Welcome to this session on Understanding Operations Management, where we will introduce key concepts, roles, and future trends that shape how organizations deliver value. Over the next slides, I'll guide you through what operations do, why they matter strategically, and how process, design, quality, supply chains, and technology come together to drive performance and competitiveness. To start, here's the agenda we'll follow. We'll define operations management and explore its strategic role. Then look at designing operations systems, core quality management ideas, and supply chain essentials. Each section will build on the last, so you'll see how everyday processes connect to bigger business goals and long-term outcomes. Continuing the agenda, we'll cover technology and operations, automation, AI, and information systems, then look at emerging technologies and future trends like sustainability and globalization. Finally, we'll wrap up with key takeaways and a short summary to help you apply these ideas in real operational settings and planning conversations. So what is operations management? At its core, it's about overseeing, designing, and controlling the production of goods and services so customer demand is met efficiently. It focuses on using resources wisely, ensuring consistent delivery and quality, and turning daily operational choices into stronger competitiveness and higher customer satisfaction across the business. Operations matter because they are central to a company's ability to compete and survive. When operations falter, you see delays, waste, and unhappy customers. But when they run well, you get reliable delivery, consistent quality, and lower costs. Strong operations are the foundation that lets a company deliver on its strategy and win in the market. There are several key functions operations teams manage: process, design maps, workflows to remove bottlenecks and improve flow. Supply chain management controls the movement of materials and products across partners. And inventory management balances stock levels to avoid high carrying costs or painful stockouts, keeping the whole system responsive and efficient. Two more essential functions are quality control and forecasting. Quality control ensures standards are met consistently through checks and corrective actions, while forecasting anticipates future demand so capacity, staffing, and materials can be planned. Together, these functions reduce surprises and help operations deliver reliably under changing conditions. Aligning operations with strategy means making daily processes reflect long-term business goals. Operations should be measured with clear KPIs that show how they support priorities like cost, speed, or quality, and resources should be focused on initiatives that drive sustainable advantage, ensuring short-term choices don't undermine strategic plans. Operations can actually be a primary source of competitive advantage by enabling faster production, lower costs, or higher reliability than rivals. When processes are efficient and quality is consistent, customer satisfaction improves, and the market sees differentiation. So operations become a strategic asset rather than just a back-office function. Designing operations blends process thinking with technology and innovation. Start by mapping steps from input to output to eliminate bottlenecks and smooth flow. And then layer in automation or robotics, where they reduce errors and increase throughput, creating a performance edge that combines better design with smart technology use. Capacity planning is about deciding how much output a system should support to meet demand, without wasting resources or leaving customers waiting. Too much capacity raises costs and underutilizes assets, but too little capacity loses sales and creates long lead times. So demand forecasts and flexible adjustments are key to balancing risks and costs. Total quality management rests on a few core ideas. Put the customer first by understanding and meeting their needs. Take a process approach to boost productivity and reduce variation. Involve employees across the organization in quality efforts, and align departments so everyone pursues the same quality goals and outcomes consistently. Building on those principles, TQM requires continuous improvement through small, ongoing changes that lift products and processes over time. Fact-based decision-making driven by data and metrics, and open communication, so roles and expectations are clear, which together create a culture focused on lasting quality gains rather than one-off fixes. Common quality control methods give practical ways to manage variation and defects. Statistical process control monitors process behavior. Six Sigma targets dramatic defect reduction. Lean focuses on removing non-value activities, and tools like the fishbone diagram help teams find root causes, so improvements are both targeted and sustainable. Supply chain essentials mean understanding the flow from suppliers to manufacturers, distributors, retailers, and finally customers, and ensuring each step operates effectively so products keep moving. Coordination, information sharing, and aligned incentives across these links are critical to performance, because a weak node can create delays or increased costs for the whole chain. Inventory management and partnerships go hand in hand. Inventory policies seek the right balance between carrying costs and service levels to avoid stockouts, while strong partnerships built on trust and communication improve reliability and reach. Together, they reduce waste, smooth replenishment, and make lead times more predictable for customers. Technology is reshaping operations through automation and AI by taking on repetitive tasks and freeing people for higher value work. AI also predicts demand, detects equipment issues, and optimizes routes, enabling exception-based management where systems surface issues automatically and teams focus on the problems that truly need human judgment. Information systems provide the centralized data that modern operations depend on, linking inventory, orders, production, and performance. Cloud ERP enables real-time coordination and decision-making, while enterprise analytics support data-driven choices. For many organizations, cloud-based systems are now the minimum standard for effective, modern operations. Emerging technologies are adding new capabilities. IoT delivers real-time monitoring of machines and logistics to reduce downtime. Blockchain offers more secure and transparent supply chain transactions. And 3D printing speeds prototyping and customization while cutting material waste, all of which change how products are designed, produced, and delivered. Sustainability is a growing operational priority, focusing on reducing waste, energy use, and environmental impact, while often lowering long-term costs. Regulatory demands are increasing in 2026, and customers increasingly prefer eco-friendly practices. So integrating sustainability into processes can both meet compliance needs and become a meaningful competitive advantage. Globalization requires effective management of suppliers and markets around the world, including navigating cultural, regulatory, and logistical complexity. Geopolitical risks drive diversification of supply, and building supply chain resilience, along with real-time visibility, has become essential to keep operations running smoothly despite external shocks. Adapting to change means embracing new technologies and shifting customer expectations while using real-time data and operational flexibility to stay competitive. Continuous planning replaces static annual budgets, and scenario modeling with rapid adaptation becomes essential so organizations can pivot quickly when disruptions or opportunities arise. To summarize, operations management is vital for efficiency, quality, and competitiveness. And when aligned with strategy, it becomes a significant business advantage. Well-designed processes, careful capacity planning, robust supply chains, and smart use of technology are central themes to keep in mind as you apply these ideas to improve operational performance. Thank you for joining this overview of operations management. I hope the concepts and examples give you practical points to apply in your teams. If you have questions or want to dive deeper into any topic like capacity planning, TQM methods, or technology adoption, I'm happy to continue the conversation and explore next steps.